Okay, guys, so today we came to Street Food by Nets. She invited us to come and review her foods. So, as you can see, it's a little food truck located in Belhar. It's actually very nice though. The menu, it's amazing. Okay, so there we were, ready to taste the food, but then I first gave Tasnim and Ashura a chance to eat the food first.
But die is die saps. Dis die steak, masala steak. En jene is die Mexican loaded. Julle soera curry is waggie, julle soera curry is waggie. As hy net tafeltjies van die kan so die
Terwyl Ashura nou eers nog 'n stukkie hê vir sy review kan gee, guys. I'm telling you, die kind het haar opgehang op because it was totally amazing. She literally just wanted more.
hoe was hy? Was dit alright? Nou hoe proe het? Soos wat?
Lekker.
Ja, maar wat is jou
Okay, guys. So vandag is ons by Street Foods by Nets. So what are we trying first?
This is the jalapeno nacho.
The Mexican loaded sub thing,
Yeah.
no? And then I have the steak sub. Maar ons moet deel, no? Ons
Ja,
moet deel.
Peru.
Ons gaan proe hoe hy. Nou, jy nou lekker vanuit mans in. Julle, ek was baie upset dat hulle alleen verkeerd, but I couldn't care. Ek sê na call it. There I got the fork finally.
Renko.
Say try my cry as en tasmo.
Emotional damn.
Jy proe nie eens soos minsie. Ons weet dit is lekker, maar jy moet deel.
Guys, ek rate this steak thingy. Out of 10, I would give it like a 10.
Die selle gaan wat hy en
Because it's baie nice. Hou my kleine sukkie nog nou.
ek rate dit nie eens 'n 10 nie, ek rate dit meer as out of a 10, meer as out of a 10, want so lekker die jalapeno. My Lorenko, hoe steel jy al die steak af? Pak jy vir my chips?
Die ene is definitief meer as 10. That's nice here, man. That's very nice. 113 Chestnut Way, guys, Belhar. Market the stop. Guys, so this was the Mexican thingy, and that was the steak sub. It was amazing. So then I also loaded the chili cheese fries. It was so amazing, guys. Kyk net hier. So jy laat daai kaas en ek so lekker tap. It was in like heel slow-mo and everything to get the effect. But it was nice. Yellow. The end result was the best. That's just the cheese. Yo. It's amazing. That is the lady behind this business. That was how it looked at the end. Amazing. Yellow cream cheese. Okay, guys, so today we're sitting with the owner of Street Foods. This, of course, was nog opgeroepen. So introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Natalie from Food and Events by Nets, and I have a street food truck that I run, which is called also Street Food by Nets.
The street food
Food
truck.
truck.
So, tell us more about Street Foods by Nets.
Street Food by Nets was the idea that I got from when we were in lockdown. So my events business had to close down because we couldn't keep events. And then it started on a Friday where I first made an order for St. Oyster that time. And they really loved it, and from there it boomed. So what I do is I take food like gyros and loaded subs, Mexican influence cuisine, and then I put our Cape Town Malay twist on it. So that's where it came from.
So as julle taaltjie viskoppe soep. So tell us where the location.
Okay, currently the location is at 113 Chestnut Way Belhar. We stationed here this weekend because of the bail tournament. So if you're there right now, you can come support us. But we will be stationed at different food trucks, like Food Truck Valley and places like that. I think on the 29th of April, we will be at the Delft Community Festival.
Natalie. The kos probeer lekker. Time next year, it's very nice.
Ik weet jy sal nie lieg hê.
The cast time, you can taste the consistency in the deliciousness of the flavor that's happening in there. Whatever you're doing, keep on doing it. It's very nice. Clearly, it's not for the money rather than the passion.
100%
for the food.
100%.
You can taste it in the food, guys. I mean, it's kind of a broodje fake liefde. So can proe liefde staan. So guys, this is Natalie from Street Food and Events by Nats.